How to repeat a song on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually repeat a song on your SoundCloud app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually just play one specific song on SoundCloud without having to play the other, you just have to open the SoundCloud app on your phone. Then once you launch the SoundCloud app on your phone, just go ahead and then actually play a music that you want. So once you play a music that you want, just open the details page of that music over here. Then just tap on this little icons which you see right beside the three dots, and next to the share icon in between you can see this multiple horizontal lines icon, right? You can just tap on this icon here. Here you'll be able to see the song that I'm currently playing. So all I have to do is make sure that this song is actually selected here, or if I want to actually choose other songs, what I can do is I can just go ahead and simply select other songs over here. But I'll just select the first song in this list which is playing right now, and if I want to loop it and repeat it, on the top right you can see the loop icon. Just tap on that and only that song is going to constantly play itself over and over again. If you want to stop the loop, just select it, uncheck it, and then you can come back as well. And that's it on how you can go ahead and simply actually repeat songs on SoundCloud. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.